everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you beautiful arched pergola design ideas and best ways to make your own arched pergola look its best. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Arched pergolas are a timeless and elegant addition to any outdoor space. They can be used to create a variety of different atmospheres, from cozy and inviting to romantic and sophisticated. Arched pergolas are also a great way to add shade and privacy to your outdoor living space. Actually, what the meaning of an arched pergola? An arched pergola is a garden structure that consists of a series of vertical posts connected by crossbeams. The crossbeams are typically arranged in an arched shape, which gives the pergola its unique appearance. Arched pergolas can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and vinyl. Can a pergola be round? Yes, a pergola can be round. Round pergolas are becoming increasingly popular, as they offer a unique and stylish look. Round pergolas are also a good option for small spaces, as they don't take up as much room as traditional rectangular pergolas. What benefits of arched pergolas? First, arched pergolas add beauty and elegance to any outdoor space. Second, they can be used to create a variety of different atmospheres, from cozy and inviting to romantic and sophisticated. Third, arched pergolas provide shade and privacy. Fourth, they can be used to support climbing plants and vines. Fifth, arched pergolas can be used to create a variety of different outdoor living spaces, such as dining areas, seating areas, and walkways. How to make an arched pergola look good? First, choose the right material for your pergola. Wood is a popular choice for arched pergolas, as it gives the structure a warm and natural look. Metal and vinyl pergolas are also available, and they offer a variety of benefits, such as durability and low maintenance. Second, consider the size and placement of your pergola. Arched pergolas can be large or small, depending on the space you have available. They can also be placed in a variety of different locations, such as in the middle of your yard, against a wall, or over a patio or deck. Third, add some personal touches to your pergola. You can make your arched pergola look more inviting and stylish by adding some personal touches, such as hanging plants, outdoor curtains, or string lights. Here are some additional tips. First, paint or stain your pergola to match the decor of your home and outdoor space. Second, add some seating to your pergola, such as a dining table and chairs, a sofa and coffee table, or a hammock. Third, add some plants and flowers to your pergola to create a more inviting and natural atmosphere. Fourth, add some lighting to your pergola, such as string lights, lanterns, or solar lights. Fifth, if you live in a windy area, consider adding some wind screens to your pergola. What to put under an arched pergola? First, outdoor furniture. An arched pergola is the perfect place to put outdoor furniture, such as a dining table and chairs, a sofa and coffee table, or a hammock. Second, outdoor kitchen. If you want to create an outdoor kitchen, an arched pergola can provide a covered space for your grill, smoker, and other cooking equipment. Third, hot tub. An arched pergola is also a great place to put a hot tub. The pergola can provide privacy and shelter from the elements. Fourth, garden. If you have a garden, you can use an arched pergola to support climbing plants and vines. You can also use the pergola to create a shady spot to relax and enjoy your garden. And, how to make an arched pergola cozy? First, add some soft furnishings. Soft furnishings, such as pillows, blankets, and rugs, can make an arched pergola look and feel more cozy. Second, add some lighting. String lights, lanterns, and other types of lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your arched pergola. Third, add some greenery. Adding some plants and flowers to your arched pergola can help to make it more cozy and inviting. And to complete your inspiration, here, these the top 10 best arched pergola decor design ideas. 1. Arched pergola with climbing plants and vines. 2. Arched pergola with outdoor furniture and curtains. 3. Arched pergola with a hot tub. 4. Arched pergola with a garden. 5. Arched pergola with a swing or hammock. 6. Arched pergola with a fireplace or barbecue. 7. Arched pergola with a water feature. 8. Arched pergola with a built-in bar. 9. Arched pergola with a pergola roof. 10. Arched pergola with a retractable roof. Arched pergolas are a beautiful and versatile addition to any outdoor space. They can be used to create a variety of different atmospheres, from cozy and inviting to romantic and sophisticated. Arched pergolas also provide shade and privacy, and they can be used to support climbing plants and vines. If you're thinking about adding an arched pergola to your outdoor space, be sure to check out the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more inspiration and ideas. We have a variety of videos on arched pergola design, construction, and maintenance. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful arched pergola design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.